Welcome to iDesign-3D, India's best vocational STEM solutions provider. We usually have ideas and concepts that we wish were real. Well, here's an opportunity that enables students to convert their ideas into reality. We bring to you iDesign, a revolutionary educational tool to design and manufacture 3D printed models. It captures interest of students and stimulates interactions in class by printing ideas and concepts in 3 dimensions. Various concepts will not only be visible but also tangible. Anything that you normally draw in 2D can now be converted into 3D models that students can touch and investigate from any angle. iDesign provides an ideal pathway for introducing younger students to everyday technology. It takes learning out of the textbook and into an imaginative and practical experience.